Hey, do you guys know when our summer picnic is going to be?
Nope, I thought Sir would tell us, but he didn't say anything.
My mom asked me this morning, where is your picnic going to be? I said, I don't know, Mom. She was so surprised.
I think maybe it's canceled.
No, of course we're going. Miss said she'd tell us very soon.
Then why don't we ask Sir today?
Sir, come to class later, then we will all ask together.
Okay, the bell has rung. Everyone is going to class.
Student, please be silent. Good morning, student.
Good morning, madam.
So, I have something exciting to tell you today.
Yes, it's about our summer picnic.
This Saturday, and guess where we're going to the forest?
Oh my God. The forest. That place is beautiful.
Ma'am, is there a river there?
Of course. There are mountains, rivers, forests, everything.
There are many animals there, so there will be many adventures.
Yes, boating, games, lunch, music, everything will be there. Just don't forget your permission slips.
Finally. The picnic mystery is solved.
Yay! Summer picnic. Hooray!